for this activity, I've got a bowl of water, cold water, some ground black pepper and a tiny bit of dish soap or washing up liquid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pepper and I'm going to sprinkle it over the surface of my water. And you'll notice, I don't know how easy it is to see in the video, but when you do this yourself, you'll see that the pepper floats. The reason for this is the water molecules sit quite close to each other. So it creates something called surface tension. And pepper is hydrophobic, meaning that water isn't attracted to it, so it therefore doesn't dissolve in the water, which is why, because it's so light, that coupled with the amount of surface tension, it means that it doesn't sink. Now I'm going to pop a finger in and you'll notice not much happened. I've got a little bit of pepper on my finger, but that's about it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my finger in the washing up liquid and hopefully we'll have a bit more of an interesting reaction. So I'm going to dip it in and you can see that straight away the pepper seemed to run away from my finger. The reason for that is the washing up liquid broke the surface tension in the water, which is why it's so good at cleaning. As soon as that happened, the water moved away from the soap and took the pepper with it. So have a go at this at home. You might want to try different types of pepper. Does it work if it's really fine, if it's really coarse, if you put more in there? What if you use hot water instead of cold water? What if you use a little bit of washing up liquid instead of lots of washing up liquid? Do different brands of washing up liquid better than others? And as always, don't forget, especially if you do use warm water for this experiment, don't forget to ask an adult to help and supervise you while you do it.